y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogtober episode 3. Today's video is of course going to be another DIY photo shoot. So the theme for this shoot is going to be Jessica Rabbit, some inspo that I decided to go with. I saw a whole lot of other ones. I saw a whole lot of people that were dressed up, but of course I got to put my own spin on it. I'm going to dye a wig. I'm going to do my makeup with the pink eyeshadow, and I got the iconic red dress with the split. So with that being said, let's get started. As my photo shoots get more involved, I have to do more prep. So this is about 3 days before my shoot and I'm doing some wig prepping. This is the same wig from my Legally Blonde photo shoot. So like, if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that out. It was Vlogtober episode 2. So I was not satisfied with the density of this wig. I should have known because it was an Amazon wig, but I went to the beauty supply store and I bought another bundle so I could increase the thickness of this wig. So I just bought a bundle for like $75. I took some hair glue and I just glued the track in because I just couldn't do it. Old girl was thin as the wind. So now it's about 2 days before the shoot and I'm coloring this wig. So I'm using Kiss Colors Cajun Spice and I'm using Adore French Cognac to get that beautiful, I don't even know what type of orange this is. It's not quite a fall orange, but it's not quite like a fire truck, but it's not quite like a, I don't know what kind of orange this is, but I really got my girl Jay, I got her hair color spot on. So this is the first round. I think I didn't put enough dye this time, but that is round 1. So I saw it and I was like, oh no, like I gotta darken this up just a little bit. So I poured the rest of the dye into the already orange mixture. I dipped the wig again and you're gonna see that round 2 looks way better. Honestly, doing it this way made it look really good. Like it looked kind of two-toned-ish almost, which was a complete accident, but I'm gonna probably end up using this method. Now it's the night before the shoot and now I am braiding my hair, I'm trimming it, and I'm oiling my scalp because it's just normal wig prep for me. I would do this even if I was not doing a photo shoot, just because I want to maintain the health and integrity of my hair, even if I will be wearing it for like 1 to 2 days. This is what my wig is looking like so far. I'm really happy with the color. I kind of wanted it to be a little more muted because I am gonna wear this on my head for a little bit. I just didn't want to look like a traffic cone. Here's what it looks like with the light off, so like it won't look too bad. This is kind of wig prep part 2. So now I'm plucking, pin curling, and clipping the ends of the wig. So I find that whenever I prep a wig the night before, it does not take me that long to take pictures, and that's kind of where I messed up on the Legally Blonde shoot because I spent half the time literally doing my hair. So I'm clipping the ends on the wig and then I curled it. It is now shoot day, and for those who already know, y'all know that I always put my backdrops in the dryer while I'm setting everything up, and I like to do my pictures in the entryway of our house because I can spread out all my stuff and I'll have plenty of space to just do whatever I need to do. And I'm setting up backdrop number 1, which I'm gonna explain later on in the video why I have this yearbook backdrop, but for now I'm gonna let y'all watch me do my makeup. Hair and makeup is becoming like my favorite part of my photo shoots because I get to flex my creativity when it comes to like altering my appearance. First thing I'm gonna do is of course install this wig. First thing is the ball cap, and I'm actually gonna glue this wig down this time. I go live. Moist, fresh. Yeah. For my lace tint, y'all already know my favorite is Kiss Temptation lace tint in the color medium brown. care if a little bit of like glue gets on my edges, because my edges are like this close to my eyebrows anyway, and so like I could stand to have some of it taken off anyway. Woo! Glue in my skin protectant is from K2's Dream House, and I love that for her. Got a special bond. Did like 3 layers of glue, so that should do the trick. On the parts. Whew. All right. I'll start off with my brows first. I'm using this e.l.f. lock-on liner in the shade Espresso. So I love my brows to be darker than dark, black as a blink, if you will. For my brows, I always use the same foundation that I'm gonna use on my face, just so I don't get that halo effect. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 355. I'm using the same foundation, y'all, to prime my eyelids. Jessica Rabbit has purple eyeshadow. Of course, I will be doing some purple eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna use this right here, spray some setting spray on it. So we're not going for the exact character, we're going for my adaptation of what she looks like. So I'm gonna put my foundation on. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless powder in the color Golden Caramel. I keep looking at myself this entire time and I feel like my under eye is naked. I'm gonna line my waterline. Now I'm gonna put on my lipstick cause Jay, my girl Jay, she bodies it with the lipstick, so I have to do the same thing. Is she giving Jessica Rabbit? Really giving like the girl, the fish. It's really giving the fish from Shark Tales. I feel like this could go either way. Like if I wanted to be the fish from Shark Tales, I could put on some red hair and do that, or I could be Jessica Rabbit. But now I'm finished with my makeup and I'm about to do my hair. So her style is technically like old Hollywood waves, and I'm gonna try to replicate that, but like I don't know. Combed out one side to see what I need to do. Well, first of all, this hair is so soft. Like this is that same wig. This is that same wig from the Legally Blonde video, and like it's completely different. It looks like it's shedding the same, but I feel like it's just like so much softer. It just looks so much better. Put just a tad bit of this wax stick on my part. I'm not trying to make this part, I'm not trying to define it too much because her part isn't really that defined, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just putting a tad bit of heat on it. Ooh wee. So I let the curls sit overnight. I'm gonna put just a little bit more hairspray on it, just because. And like we are ready to shoot. We are ready to get dressed up. And now that I'm in hair and makeup, it's time for shoot number 1. So I bet you're probably asking, like, why am I taking headshots as a photo shoot idea? So this idea came to me after I did my vampire prom queen shoot, and I was like, oh wow, like I have 3 or 4 other shoots lined up, so what if I do a headshot for all of them and I make it look like a yearbook? So that's what I'm gonna do. It probably takes like 10 to 20 minutes more, but I guarantee you it's gonna look so good in the end. And those are kind of what the pictures ended up looking like. I honestly liked posing on the floor because it was easier for me. And now we are on to shoot number 2. So I said that I didn't like changing my backdrops while I was in character, while I was in costume, but I really had no choice. And the way that dress was set up, like I was not about to take it off and then put it back on, so I had to pin that wig up and I had to just kind of grin and bear it and do what I needed to do. So I came up with a little hack, if you will. I didn't have 2 backdrop holders, so I could not put the red panels on there, so I used I used hair clips to create my own little gathers, what I call it, my own little gathers, my own little pleats to make it look like a stage, to make it look like curtains. So that is what I did, and I must say, I really did that. Like, imagination was on 10, creativity was on 10 when I did this, because I was impressed with myself, honestly. As y'all can tell, like, even I was impressed with my own setup. So I set up my phone and I set up my LED light, and I grabbed my mic and I just started shooting. Like, I just wanted to capture like that sexy femme fatale, like you can't touch me kind of vibe, and I think that's what I did. So now I'm editing my pictures, and the more and more pictures I take, the more and more I'm not gonna say like the more and more I feel the need to touch up, to retouch, but like a little bit of editing goes a long way. I know I say this all the time, but it really does. So I'm using the retouch tool in PixArt to kind of like smooth out my lace. Yes, I retouch my lace. What about it? I do that. I kind of smooth out my foundation, like not trying to make it look too unrealistic. Like, I'm trying to make this look like a more improved version of myself. So what I think is cool is like I started using the draw tool and kind of like filling in like my eyeliner, filling in the little skips of my lipstick, things that will make my pictures look subtly better. And now I'm color grading. So when you color grade, you're messing with like the brightness, saturation, black point, contrast, shadows, all those good things. And I'm using my regular schmegular photo app on my iPad to do so. You can also do this on your iPhone, but I like to use it on my iPad because I am blind. So I took all those pictures to Canva, and like I said, I'm trying to make it look like senior photos. So I put them all in the Instagram picture, Instagram picture format, and y'all saw what I did, whatever. Now I'm doing the same thing, except I retouched it. I probably did not need to retouch these because my face, you can't really see my face, but like, you never know who'll be zooming in. So since this is Jessica Rabbit themed, of course I had to go and grab Roger Rabbit from the internet, and I removed the background, and I just let my creativity take over. And this photo shoot was really fun. Like, editing it was really fun. This is probably my favorite one thus far. This is how my pictures turned out, and I must say, like, when I tell you I ate this up, I ate it down, left absolutely zero crumbs. There isn't even the plate to be left. Like, that's how that's how much I ate it. Like, if Jessica Rabbit was a black woman in a parallel universe, this is exactly what she would look like. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. Also, put down in the comments what your favorite photo shoot is so far, but I'll see y'all in my next video.